Well, the suspense over Amethi and Rai Bareli is finally over at the last possible moment. Congress has announced that Rahul Gandhi will contest from Rai Bareli, the Lok Sabha seat his mother Sonia held from 2004 till exiting it this time around to enter the Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan instead. Conversely, that means that Rahul Gandhi has ditched Amethi, the Lok Sabha seat he represented from 2004 to 2019, and will not contest once again against Smriti Irani, who defeated him by over 50,000 votes in the last Lok Sabha elections. Instead, Congress loyalist KL Sharma will contest from Amethi this time around. Both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra will travel to Rai Bareli for Rahul's nomination filing, which has to be completed by 3 p.m. It also means that Priyanka will not be contesting these Lok Sabha elections, though she will be joining the show of strength for Rahul, and so will Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. In Rai Bareli, Rahul Gandhi faces a challenge from BJP's Dinesh Pratap Singh, who lost to Sonia Gandhi by about 1.66 lakh votes in the 2019 elections. So, as far as Amethi and Rai Bareli are concerned, the picture is now clear. At the very last moment, the decision was taken. Congress is trying its best to make Rahul's fielding from Rai Bareli sound like a decision that will galvanize its prospects. Let's listen into the reactions coming in.
राहुल गांधी जी के रायबरेली से चुनाव लड़ने के निर्णय पर हम अपने राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, हमारी जनप्रिय नेता श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी, श्रीमती प्रियंका गांधी जी, हम उनका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं और धन्यवाद देते हैं कि उन्होंने अपनी परंपरागत, अपने पीढ़ियों के रिश्ते, अपने घर रायबरेली को लोकसभा के लिए चुना। रायबरेली से गांधी परिवार का एक आत्मीय रिश्ता रहा है। श्री राहुल गांधी जी के रायबरेली से चुनाव लड़ने पर कार्यकर्ता और जनमानस काफी उत्साहित हैं और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सबसे बड़ी जीत रायबरेली से श्री राहुल गांधी की होगी। उत्तर प्रदेश में इंडिया गठबंधन को और ताकत मिलेगी, हम और ज्यादा सीटें जीतेंगे।
हम लोगों की बहुप्रतीक्षित ये मांग थी और हम लोग चाहते थे कि हम सबके नेता आदरणीय राहुल जी निश्चित तौर से उत्तर प्रदेश से चुनाव लड़ें और अमेठी रायबरेली दोनों ही परिवार है। धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा अपने राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी को, पूरे सीसी की जो हमारी कमेटी है जिन्होंने राहुल जी को ले आकर रायबरेली से चुनाव लड़ना उनका हुआ। और रायबरेली एक परंपरागत सीट जहाँ पर विकास हमेशा रहा, हमेशा विकास का कार्य हुआ। अमेठी के अंदर भी वही हाल है। मैं समझता हूँ कि दोनों ही जगह से बहुत ही पारिवारिक रिश्ता है गांधी परिवार का, कांग्रेस का। इसलिए आप देखिए सबसे विश्वस्त और अपने एकदम नज़दीकी किशोरीलाल जी को चुनाव अमेठी से लड़ाया गया।
All right, we have Adeep and Isha joining us in the broadcast with more details. Adeep joining us from Amethi. Adeep, the picture is finally clear. Rahul Gandhi to contest from Rai Bareli instead of Amethi, and Sonia Gandhi's close aide KL Sharma, Kishorilal Sharma, has been fielded from Amethi.
Well, definitely the picture is now clear. Rahul Gandhi will be fighting from Rai Bareli and will take on Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is the state minister in Uttar Pradesh government. BJP has fielded Dinesh Pratap Singh, and Kishorilal Sharma will be taking on Smriti Irani, the union minister, and this the Amethi MP. It will not be easy for Congress to manage both these seats, as the Congress was saying that Rahul Gandhi cannot focus on only one seat, and that's why he was hesitant on the first 2 5 elections. However, the Congress leadership has managed to convince Rahul, and now he's fighting from the seat of Rai Bareli. It will be interesting to see how Congress workers in Amethi are going to react on the candidature of KL Sharma, because they were hoping for Rahul. They were very confident about Rahul. In fact, they were preparing for the nomination of Rahul Gandhi himself, and they were saying that Rahul Gandhi will file nominations from Amethi seat. But Congress has fielded KL Sharma. Now it will be very interesting to see how Congress is going to contest these Lok Sabha elections in the seat of Amethi, and how BJP is going to react. BJP, in fact, has already started attacking the Congress party, and they're saying that Rahul Gandhi has once again ditched Amethi, and he will do the same with Rai Bareli once he wins from, if he wins from both the seats. Which seat will Rahul Gandhi will be choosing, and which seat will he vacate?
Right, Adeep, stay on with us. Let me go across to Isha very quickly. Isha, we given to understand that Rahul Gandhi would be leaving in a chartered plane and will be accompanied by Priyanka Gandhi, who is clearly not contesting Lok Sabha elections this time around. Mallikarjun Kharge would also join them for nomination filing.
Yes, Swati. However, it is not clear if Priyanka Gandhi will be accompanying Rahul Gandhi or she's left earlier. It's still slightly unclear at the moment on the ground. But I am currently standing right outside the General Aviation Terminal, which does cater to the VIPs. And that is where Rahul Gandhi is all set to take his flight from. In fact, in the next 20 minutes, Rahul Gandhi will be leaving from the national capital to Raebareli in order to file his nomination. But again, the questions have been rising as to why this decision came at the 11th hour. And it has been stated that Rahul was unsure of fighting the election. But again, the fact that Rahul pulled back from the Amethi seat points to only one thing, that he was unsure of fighting against Smriti Irani, and that is precisely why he did not fight from Amethi. But the reactions have started coming in. We also heard reactions coming in from the BJP, the Samajwadi Party also dripping in. The other people are also stating, and the decision, the suspense has ended. But finally, we will find out if this decision actually bears fruit coming from the Congress. Back
Like
to you.
you said, yes,
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.